Welcome to Accentrix Visa Consultancy. And first of all, thank you for joining our FB Live seminar this afternoon. First, let me tell you our company history. In 2008, started in number 32 Market Street in Sydney, Australia, as Australia and New Zealand Immigration Advisory Center. 2009, established an office in HSBC Enterprise Tower with 8 staff and registered in DTI. We moved to a 200 square meter office to conduct a daily free consultation and weekend seminar in 2014. 2020, we went to hiatus mode due to pandemic. 2022, reestablishing the office in Philippines and Australia. Team introduction, our CEO is a graduate of Australian National University. Our consultants, certified in professional international education resources. Our marketer, completed a training and education agent training course in ISEF. Completed and graduate of Australian National University in Migration Law in 2009. He passed all the relevant requirements and became an Australian registered migration agent in 2010. Other certificate, which is CCNP, CCNA, MCP, MCSE, MCSA, MCP, MC Assure, MC Hybrid, PCP, CCA-V. Our former Australian registered migration agent, our very own Mr. Christopher Vinaventura. And of course, he is a former licensed immigration advisor in New Zealand. License was granted in March 2011. Again, Mr. Christopher Vinavin, International Consultants for Education and Fair ISEF. ISEF is the Australia's industry recognized agent training course, ATC cover in four key areas. Advantage 1, agents are knowledgeable in the AQF and career trends. Advantage 2, legislation and regulations. Advantage 3, working effectively in international education or wealth. Advantage 4, professional standards in ethics. She has completed an education agent training course from ISEF Academy year 2022, candidate for qualified education agent counselor, knowledgeable and familiar with AQF, yours truly, Miss Pauline Otana. He has completed also the education agent training course from ISEF Academy year 2022, candidate for qualified education agent counselor, knowledgeable and familiar with AQF, Mr. Ryan Velasquez. 9 reasons and why you should choose Accenture. Number one, your application will be processed by a former Australian migration agent, former licensed immigration advisor, Australian qualified education counselors, and 3 ISEF agents. Two, we have partnered with more than 200 universities and colleges in Australia, Canada, and USA. Three, we don't only offer student visa, we can also advise you your pathway to residency since owner is an Australian citizen and former army. 4, we can help you continue stay longer than 2 years after your student visa. 5, we have more than 400 approved visa in Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and USA. 6, all courses we offer are recognized nationally under the Australian qualification framework. 7, the waive fee or the company fee of 50,000 pesos. First engagement fee of 20,000 pesos. Upon release letter of offer is 10,000 pesos. Before submission to embassy is 10,000 pesos. Upon visa approval is 10,000 pesos for the total fee of 50,000 pesos. 8, we have extensive experience with visa refusal and can turn it to positive outcome, not dead end application. We can apply you for further stay after grad visa. We can apply you for skill assessment like MBA, BETASIS, and a check. A friendly reminder to all of you, we are not an employment agency. We do not process work permit. We do not offer any jobs. We do not send applicant to work in Canada or Australia. We simply process student visa application for you to study in Canada and Australia. Thank you everyone for listening to our company history and team introduction. Now we're gonna proceed to our main topic for this afternoon is the country of Australia. So here, so ayan. First of all, welcome to Australia. So the four factors why Australia. So here I'll just gonna give you the four factors why you should consider migrating to Australia. So number one, listed in best country to live, better job prospect, healthier food, and of course listed one of the highest salary. So one of the best country in the world. So this is the fourth best feature of Australia. Number three, country with the highest average salaries. Number seven, best country in the world. Number nine, best to raise a family. And number 27, safest country in the world. So, job prospects. So, what are the current jobs in Australia? So, the highest paying jobs in Australia as of 2022 and 2023. So, I'm so lazy to apply. So, if tinatamad ka mag-apply, you don't need to worry anymore because we have www.linkedin.com. So here, uh, you can search on your own. This link of www.linkedin.com is dito yung portal na pwede tayong mag-apply. So, bago tayo mag-apply, we need a job first. So, here is www.seek.com.au. How do I find a job? So, paano ka makapaghanap ng work? The fit as a student visa holder here is www.seek.com. So, for equal opportunity, babae man o lalaki, kahit anong trabaho, as long as you are fit to work, pwedeng-pwede po sa Australia because they have equal opportunity. So for school location, which is the most affordable school in CBD with one of the highest hourly rates. So ito is located in all major cities in Australia. So it's Sydney, we have Sydney, Perth, Melbourne, and Parramatta. So this is the four major cities sa Australia na meron tayong affiliated schools. So Sydney, Perth, Melbourne,